What's up, guys? This is Jake Fry, the car guy, here with
Alex Miller, the Mustang Miller guy.
That's right. This is Alex Mustang Miller. We got Walker Paul on the mic.
What's up,
and
y'all?
Alex, what did you just do?
I bought a 2022 GT500 Heritage Edition.
And ain't that the truth, man? What a beautiful car. What color are we looking at today, Mr. Miller?
You got the Brittany Blue Metallic, just a beautiful color that they did with the Heritage.
I totally agree. It kind of reminds me of a nice specialty version of our iconic silver with those nice blue hints. Alex, you bought this car. I know it's basically a dream car. What kind of performance do we expect out of this?
Man, it's just phenomenal. 760 horsepower, 625 pounds torque from the factory, warranted. It's just an all-around, just a great performance car.
That's right. And we have done the tinting to this vehicle. We're going to go ahead and ceramic coat it. Haven't quite gotten to that yet, but you know, Alex, what are you going to be using this car for? I mean, this is a bad machine.
You know, a lot of people put these in their garage in a car cover and just, you know, stare at it, maybe pull it out once a month and drive it. But I'm actually going to put some miles on it. I'm going to enjoy this car and drive it the way it was built from Ford. Got the best warranty, so I'm able to drive it and put some miles on it. And as y'all can tell from the old videos, I had a 19 Whipple supercharged Mustang, and it was a powerful car. But this from the factory is the best car I've ever driven. It competes with supercars.
Absolutely. And I mean, we've got a ton of stuff to talk about it. We're going to do more content on this, I'm sure. But you know, what are you most excited about your new GT500?
I'm just excited to say I got one. You know, it's a limited production vehicle, especially the Heritage and the Brittany Blue. It's going to be a life term car for me, and you know, it's going to be in my family. You know, nobody's going to get rid of it, and I'm looking forward to some road trips in the mountains, and I just got some big plans for this car. I really do.
We are so glad to hear it, man. I know you worked super hard to get this car, and you earned it, buddy. I mean, you're one of our top guys here. If you are looking for a car, something as nice as a GT500, something as affordable as an EcoSport, it doesn't matter. Alex Miller or Walker Paul Tetters are your guys here at JC Lewis Ford. We'll take care of you, and you know, you may even end up working up to something nice like this. You know, if y'all have any questions about the GT500, Alex is going to be driving this car on the regular. We're going to be doing a lot of content on it, so shoot us an email at certifiedcarguys@gmail.com or drop a comment below. And as always, be sure to like and subscribe because we got a lot more content on the Lightnings, the GT500s, all these awesome performance vehicles. Heck, Alex, you think we might get a little race between the Lightning and the GT500?
I'm down for that. Y'all like and share and subscribe if you're not. Click the button for new videos. But yeah, there's going to be more content. I want to see what it does against the Lightning from 0 to 60. It should be very exciting, and I want y'all to send us requests that you want to see about the car as well. So I'm very excited to give you more content, and there's not a lot of these out here with this edition on video. So give us something to do. We're looking forward to, you know, what you guys want to see.
Absolutely. JC Lewis Ford is for the people. Alex Miller and Walker Paul will take great care of you. And we've got some awesome cars here, clearly, and we're going to put out some more content. So be sure to like and subscribe. Let us know what you want to see, and we'll check you out soon. Thanks.
So guys, check out the interior of this 22 GT500. Very nice trim throughout. You've got your nice leather GT500 specific seats with the badging under the headrest. We're about to take this thing for a drive in Alex's new GT500 and see how it does.
It's only got 132 miles, so I'm not gonna drive it hard.
I hear you, man.
I gotta break it in. They say the first 500 miles, you really can't
go too hard on it.
Yeah, I'm just not gonna do it.
So Alex, tell me a little bit more about your thoughts on the GT500. Did it kind of meet all your expectations?
Oh yeah, and then
is it falling short in any way?
Not at all. This 7-speed transmission is just something incredible. Dual clutch. It's just so responsive. Just barely driving it without heating up the tires. You can tell I was just spinning a little bit.
And guys, that is not even a full hit of the throttle. He's just breaking this thing in, and we don't want to be too rough on it. We just want to make sure that we are staying safe around here. So check that out.
This one is equipped with the handling package. So you get your splitters, you get your gurney flap, and you get the oil catch can. Heated and cooled seats.
Nice convenience features in this thing. You got your heated and cooled seats.
Exhaust modes, quiet, normal.
Got all your traction control, push to start here, all your audio stuff. Some extra gauges for your oil temperature and oil pressure. So Alex, we had mentioned a little bit earlier, you had a supercharged 5.0. As far as your driving experience, how different is it from that?
This is just far beyond way better than the 5.0. The 5.0, if I had to put the car side by side, you know, stock for stock, the 5.0 with the Whipple was a little bit more horsepower, but the drivability, the 19, you know, put in the aftermarket suspension and shocks on it, it was just a rough riding car. This is like driving a Cadillac. You can make it your daily and drive it 500 miles to go see your grandmother in the mountains and be just comfortable and enjoy your trip. And then if you just want to put it in sport mode, it changes the suspension, and you know you're good for the track or road course. It's just, you know, I couldn't ask for a better car.
So what type of drive modes does this thing have? I'm guessing it would have a sport and a normal. Does it have an eco mode or anything like that?
So it doesn't have an eco mode. It does have the normal, the sport. It has a wet and slippery mode. So, you know, with a car like this, if it rains or snow or anything like that, you can put it in wet, slippery mode so you're not all over the road. And that's a good thing to have on a car like this.
And guys,
that's just me barely hitting the gas.
Yeah, he's barely hitting the gas, but you know, it's feeling great, it's shifting smooth, and it's getting us where we need to go, and we're going fast.
It's wanting to spin, it's not warmed up enough. This car's crazy, dude. What I like about this one, if you notice, I don't have the Recaro seats. So these have the really comfortable GT500 seats from Ford, which they do have heated and cooled. So on those long trips, I'm going to be comfortable.
So where are you first planning to take this thing, man? Any car shows, any cool
My
trips?
first road trip is going to be at Cars and Coffee in Puller. Probably this Sunday.
Very nice. Check out all those buttons on the steering wheel there.
There's your GT500 modes. You can change the color to the screens. The screens will change as you do normal, sport, and track mode. This does have a track mode. They recommend that only being used for the track.
So it looked like you can manually change the suspension right there on the steering wheel. Is that correct?
That is correct.
And you can also, does it look like you can do the drive, I guess the steering response as well?
It does. Yep,
Okay.
the comfort, sport, and drag as well.
Looks like it has a lot of cool, nice features on there, and also that Shelby Sport mode, like Alex had just mentioned there. But guys, we are almost back to the dealership. We want to thank you guys for tuning in for this ride along with Mr. Mustang Miller and his new GT500. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and we will talk to you guys later. Peace.